In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can easily master your song with FL Studio. If this is your first time of watching video in my channel, kindly subscribe to this channel, like and comment on this video. Without further ado, let's dive into my FL Studio. I'm going to show you step by step on how I used to master my song before distributing it. So in my FL Studio, the first thing we need to do is for us to locate the file in which the song is. So I'm here to select the file, and this is the song I want to master. So I will go ahead and drag this song to my FL Studio. I'm going to add it up here. So after dragging this song to my FL Studio, the first thing I need to do is for me to dictate the tempo of this song, because I don't want to master it with 140 BPM. If I master it with 140, it's going to disturb me whenever someone is trying to maybe do something on the song or trying to find the correct BPM to the song. So I always like to fix my BPM before mastering my song. So the first thing is that I'm going to click on there and now dictate tempo. Then I'm going to put this 75 to 150. So now currently it has given me the tempo of the song. So he has now given me the tempo of the song. So the next thing for me to do is for me to actually route this track to a mixer. There are several ways to do this. You can actually click here and send to a mixer, or you can actually use here and send the audio to a mixer here. So I've sent the audio to a mixer and now coming to my mixer. This is the track I'm sending it to. I'm going to put it M is 1, that's master 1. I'm going to add a color to it, and then I'm going to unroute it from the master, and I'm going to route it from another track, and then I'm going to rename this one MS Boss. What I'm doing here is that I don't want to add plugin directly to my soundtrack, so I want to add it to a boss channel before sending it to the master, so I can adjust anything I want to adjust or do anything I want to do in the mixer channel without getting to the master channel. So let's continue. So first of all, I'm going to play this song on a low mode. First of all, I'm going to play this song on a low volume to see what actually is going on. So I'm going to set this to around 13, then I'm going to play it.
Immunization. Mobile phone pressure. RIP Mole. RIP Boy. RIP ML3T. Papi go make a shy. And me start make a lie once.
So what I'm going to do is that I'm going to load in a monitor, that is Wave Candy. In FL Studio, just go ahead and look for the plugin called Wave Candy and put it in your master channel, so you can actually track the signals and the sound that your music is giving out. So what I'm going to do here is that I'm going to find the Wave Candy and then input it in the main channel. Then I'm going to click on meter. Then I'm going to re-roll it and drag it. We'll drag it to the left hand side, or maybe probably keep it here. I'm going to take this off. Now let's play it.
Immunization. Mobile phone pressure. RIP Mole. RIP Boy. RIP ML3T.
As you can see, the sound has not exceeded 0. Reason being that when I was mixing the sound, I make sure I take good care of that. I don't like my sound to over loud when I'm doing mixing. So that is the reason why you are seeing it. It has not passed the 0 level. So in order for us to master it, there are a few things I used to do into my mastering, because mastering doesn't need much things. Understand? It doesn't need much. So you need to do a little bit what you can do, and you can also check on the unwanted sounds that you don't want it and cut it off. So what I'm going to do is that I'm going to load in an EQ. For the sake of this mastering, I'm going to use a plugin called Isotopes 9, that is Ozone 9, that is plugin from Isotope Ozone everybody should be familiar with Ozone by now. So I'm using Ozone for the mastering process. So I load in my Ozone. There are a few ways you can use Ozone to master song. For me, I love to do my thing digitally, but I'm just using this Ozone now to show you a quickest way, but I'm going to also show you another way you can actually do this. So why I am using this Ozone is that I want to show you, if you are just a beginner like me or a beginner and you want to master your song immediately, so what you need to do is for you to just go ahead to this preset aspect and look for preset that you can use. So for me, I will use for all purpose mastering. Let's just see how it goes. I will choose the adaptive dynamic. So automatically Ozone will add all those necessary plugins for me. So let's get a hear what it sounds like.
Modernization, mobile for winning pressure. RIP Mole, RIP the boy, RIP Asin, ML3T. Pass me go make a shy yo, and me spell make a lie once. Depression make me drag on, I feel good when I'm high yo. Pass me go make a shy yo, and me spell make.
This is the easiest way. So if you are using this way, maybe you are listening to the song and you know it sounds normal because the preset we used gave us a EQ, gave us an imager, and also give us a maximizer. So in this our maximizer, we can come and click on maximizer, then we come and drag it to -1 dB. -1. Yes. The reason why I'm dragging it to -1 dB is that majority of the streaming platform like Spotify, Apple Music, they only take songs that is well mastered and the loudness level is set to -1 dB. That's why I'm setting this to -1 dB. So take note. So let's go ahead and hear it how it sounds now.
Modernization, mobile for winning pressure. RIP Mole, RIP the boy, RIP Asin, ML3T. Pass me go make a shy yo, and me spell make a lie once. Depression make me drag on, I feel good when I'm high yo. Pass me go make a shy yo.
That is one of the easiest way to master your song. But if you don't want to do it this way and you want to go through the stress and the process, and now you can also get this done to yourself. So I will also show you another way you can actually do this. So let me go ahead and turn this down. So I'm going to delete this. So I'm going to delete that. I'm going to add a new plugin. So the first plugin I'm going to add in this, I'm going to go and add I'm going to use Ozone EQ. So I add in my Ozone EQ. What I'm going to do here is for me to just cut out the unwanted noises and unwanted sounds from this mix. So what I'm going to do, let's just go ahead and listen to the song. So for the sake of this, I'm going to shift the song to somewhere around here so I can hear all the bass and drums at once. So let's go ahead and listen. The good part of this EQ is that you can actually silence some particular sounds, some area in your vocals or in your sound frequencies and listen to it. If you want to make an adjustment to it, you can actually make adjustment to it. If you don't want to make adjustment to it, you can also leave it to them. So for now, I'm going to solo the bass part of it and then listen to if I should be adding the bass or should be removing it. So let's just hear it. Please, for the purpose of this video, I would like you to use your headphones so you can actually get all the details of what I'm doing. So after that, we just head over to the mid, and then we get to listen to any sound that we don't want, and we can cut it down. So here we can also listen to other sounds that is in this frequency and see if we can actually take it out, or we can also add something else to make it sound more brighter. Let's listen to it. So now we have automatically cut out the unwanted frequency that we found in the mix. So the next thing for us to do is for us to actually listen to the sound and know if it is actually sounding professional or not. So let's hear everything. So after this, the next thing I used to do is for me to give a little bit compressor, like a little bit compressing to the vocals. So what I'm going to use in order for me to do this, I'm going to add a little compressor from I'm going to add a compressor from FL Studio. That is the normal limiter. So I'm going to add the fruity limiter in order for me to get things more okay. So let's add it out. So we get to play. So what I'm going to do is that I'm going to just cut out a little from here. Then I'm going to saturate from there. Like the loudness that is above this level should be cut out. I'm not going to do much. I'm just doing a little bit. 0 minus 1.5. So I'm going to put my ratio somewhere around 2.1. Then I'm going to nail it a little bit because I don't want to cut out everything. So let's get to this thing. So the next thing is for us to add maximizer of safe from ozone. So in this maximizer, there are several things for you to take note of. Like I said before, I'm going to set my recalling to a minus 1 dB. The reason why I'm doing this is that the majority of the streaming platform out there, like Spotify, Apple Music, the reason why I'm doing this is that the major streaming platform always accepts song with minus 1 dB. Like the sound level must be minus 1 dB in order for them to distribute it well. So I always keep my own on minus 1 dB. So let's hear it and add some percent to the sound. So let's just listen to it. So I want to make the song to come out a little bit, so I will drag this threshold down. So as you can see, everything is almost there. And we have our you can check it, it is on minus 1 dB. Let's get to here. Okay, if you want to listen to this song, I will leave a link in the description of this video. You can go and check out this song and you can listen to it. Right now, I'll see you in my next video.